Alam mo ba kung bakit pinili ng Diyos ang Israel bilang kanyang piniling bayan? Sa Biblia, pinili ng Diyos ang Israel upang ihayag ang kanyang katapatan at
I will always stand up for Israel's right to defend itself.
We are fully supportive of Israel's right to defend itself.
Mixed messages on an ominous day in the Middle East. Israel's defense forces confirming that their commandos have crossed the fraught border into Lebanon to attack.
Kailangan ko talagang mas kasi nasa labas ako ng